Hello, today in front of me I have REALME C30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards on the top part of your display in order for this notification and control center to be launched. Next, find the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it. At the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. At the network details page, tap on the share icon, and as you can see, we'll have the actual Wi-Fi password that is located right below the QR code, which is in my case HardReset, as well as the QR code itself, which you can scan with any another device and get it automatically connected to this very network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.